What's up, everybody? So here's what we got going on with the Z. Just makes a pretty bad squealing noise on startup, and then sometimes even when driving it starts doing it. I'm pretty sure it's just the belts. Originally I thought maybe it's like my throw-up bearing because I just replaced the belts, but then I got to thinking that since the belts were brand new and they've broken in now, the tensioners aren't self-adjusting, so I think I might need to tighten them just a little bit to get rid of this. But let's see if it does it on startup here. It's not super cold out. I noticed that it does it a lot longer when it's cold, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that's just the belts. So that last clip, it didn't really squeal as much as it does normally because it wasn't really cold that day, but sometimes that squealing noise could go on for like 45 seconds. So it's definitely due to the cold weather. I already tightened the tensioners on the belts. Gonna see what it does right now because it's 36 degrees out. So this is normally when it would make the squealing noise, so we'll see if it does. Yeah, it already would have been squealing. So now I can definitely confirm that to get rid of that squealing noise, if that's happening, I guess in particular during cold weather. And then on top of that, I had just replaced the belts, which when the belts are new, they're pretty tight, so they're gonna break in, have that initial break-in period. So just tightening your tensioners a little bit more should get rid of that squealing noise. And when I did change those belts, I did make a video about that and setting the tension. So I'll put a link in the description for any of you that wanna see how to tighten the tensioners and like the tightening torque for the tensioners once you have them set and all that. But yeah, if you got cold weather, squealing belts, first thing I would try is just tightening the tensioners a little bit. Obviously you don't want to go too tight because that can actually cause wear on the bearings of the pulleys and the tensioner itself. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this helped anybody who's trying to figure out how to get rid of the squealing on their Z during startup. Thanks for watching. If you could like the video, subscribe to the channel. Got a lot of videos on the Z and some of my other cars. But thanks. See you guys. Peace.